In this lesson, we're going to continue discussing nested styles. If you'd like to follow along, go under the File menu to Open, and in the Sample Files folder, scroll down to 0806 GREP Styles for Artists, and just click Open. In an earlier lesson, I mentioned GREP in the Find Change dialog window under the Edit menu. Just to remind you, GREP stands for General Regular Expression Parser. It's a way of searching for patterns in your text to make changes. A lot of layout artists will not use GREP because it does involve some code. There is a kind of nested style in InDesign that's called GREP Styles. And at a very basic level, you don't have to use any code at all. Let me show you. I'm going to first zoom in with my zoom tool on the top part of my page by clicking and dragging with the zoom tool across my margins, and then just scroll up a little bit so I can see the text. I'm going to double click on a paragraph style that's called Copy with Red Lead. And right under the Drop Caps and Nested Styles section in the dialog window, you'll see GREP Styles. Let me click New GREP Style. At the top it says Apply Style. I have to pick the character style that I want to apply. Let me click down on that character styles pop-up and choose red bold caps. In the To Text section, it's actually entering some code for me. I'm going to click in that and just delete the code. And I'm going to type a couple of words. How about infinite skills? Nothing is going to happen until I click off of that field. And you can see everywhere in the text within that paragraph style that it says infinite skills, it's making those words red bold caps. So it does work. Let me just click OK. I wonder if it really works. Let's put it to the test. I'm going to select the S at the end of one of those infinite skills and just hit delete. It's no longer red bold caps. Let me add the S back in. Now it's red bold caps. So no matter how I edit it, it's still going to be red bold caps once it says infinite skills. This is something that is actually quite common. A lot of clients in their body text may want either their corporate name or the name of a product treated a certain way in that text. This is a quick way to very efficiently apply a character style to their name, and no matter how you edit it, unless it's the full name, it's not going to have that character style applied. So it's a very cool feature that's very efficient and very easy to use with no code at all. When GREP styles are needed for a situation like this, they're very efficient even at this very basic level with no code. We're going to talk more about styles in upcoming lessons.